Edexcel GCSE Mathematics. This is an example of a C grade question. We're told to change the following speeds to meters per second: A 12 kilometers an hour and B 75 kilometers an hour. Over to the right there's the time, distance, speed triangle, and let's just recap how it works. If you want to find a distance, for example, you cover up the distance and what you're left with is s and t, and as they're next to each other we simply multiply them. So distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. If we want to find speed, we cover up speed, and that tells us it's distance divided by time. D is over t, distance divided by time. And finally, if we want to find time, cover up time, and that's distance divided by speed. In the question we're told to change the following speed. So we're given a speed. So our speed, if we cover up s, is distance divided by time. So A is 12 kilometers an hour, B is 75 kilometers an hour, but they can be written as distance over time. So let's start with part A. And that's 12 kilometers an hour. Well, the distance is 12 kilometers. And the time is 1 hour. But we need to take this as meters per second. So in order to convert 12 kilometers to meters, we must multiply by 1,000. So that gives us 12,000 meters. Now divided by an hour in seconds is 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour. So 60 multiplied by 60 is 3,600 seconds. And by simply taking the calculator we can tap that in. 12,000 divided by 3,600 gives us an answer of 3.33, which is 3 1/3 meters per second. So part A, 3 1/3 meters per second. Moving on to part B, exactly the same principle. 75 kilometers at the top of the fraction, 1 hour at the bottom of the fraction. Convert those to meters and seconds and we have 75,000 meters divided by 3,600 seconds. And again, taking the calculator, we have 75,000 divided by 3,600, and that gives us an answer of 20.83333, which is 20 5/6. So we'll write it in that form as it's more accurate. 20 5/6 meters per second.